Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. To be honest, this video is kind of a mistake. I wasn't even going to film this. I forgot to put chicken in the crock pot earlier. I'm just doing some very simple pulled chicken barbecue sandwiches, and I needed about 6 hours to do that cook in the crock pot. Didn't happen. I've only got a couple of hours. Then it hit me that I have the smaller 4-quart Dutch oven that fits in my Emeril 360. So guys, let me show you how easy this is to get pulled chicken inside the Emeril 360 in a Dutch oven. Let me show you. Alright guys, I just simply got 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and I'm just going to season them up with a little SPG. I'm using Grillaholics. You use whatever seasoning you want. I think this is going to be excellent on here. SPG, I use that on everything. Just going to season them up a little bit. Like I said, this is a very simple cook. If you have a crock pot, just stick it in a crock pot on low. Your chicken on there for about 6 hours, 5-6 hours, usually does the trick. You're just going for done. About 165, 170 degrees is all you need, internal temp. So get that on in our Dutch oven. Alright guys, and this is all we're going to do. I got some, this is Sweet Baby Ray's hickory brown sugar. I love this stuff. It's one of my favorites from Sweet Baby Ray's. You use whatever you like. You can add as much or as little as you want. We'll call that good right there. Guys, if you just want to make pulled chicken plain, just season it up, put it in there by itself. You might add a little oil to the bottom. I don't think you really need to, but you just make pulled chicken, then you can do whatever you want with it whenever you want to. Even freeze it for later. We're just adding some barbecue sauce here, just make it quite and tasty for dinner tonight. Alright guys, this is a tight squeeze for this little Dutch oven, but it does fit perfect. Have to put it on an angle, but I bought it just for this machine. Get this closed up. Alright, I don't know how well you can see. I preset this to in the slow cook position, and I've set it to the highest setting, and that is 275, and I've set it for 2 hours. I believe 2 hours will get this done, if memory serves me right. So we're just gonna go with it, and if we need longer after 2 hours, we'll do it. But I think 2 hours is gonna be plenty. Let's get her going. It's not even gonna preheat. Alright guys, that's 2 hours. Let's carefully get this out of here. I'm hoping we're done. That's tight squeeze, tight squeeze. Alright. Alright guys, I just want to get some temps on this. Oh, it's definitely done. That's well over what I intended. We're hitting like 200. I was only going for like 165. Alright guys, let me get this pulled. I'm going to get my wife in here, get her fed, and we'll come back and we'll get us a sandwich. Alright guys, got a little sesame seeded bun. Why sesame seeded? You'll see that in an upcoming video. That's what we have on hand. Plate some of this goodness right in here. Might even make a little bit of a mess. Keeping it very, very simple throughout. A couple pickles. Half of that bun. I've been known to put coleslaw on top of my pulled chicken or pulled pork, whatever. Not today. Going on the side. And that's our dinner, guys. Get a bite of that. Alright guys, get a bite of this. Delicious. Looks delicious. That was a big bite. Now that is awesome. You can also use chicken thighs with this. We want the chicken breast tonight. A little leaner. You know the drill. Pickles, delicious. Getting it yummy from behind the camera back there. Guys, that is super easy to do. 2 hours in the Dutch oven. You can do this in a crock pot, put it on low for about 5 or 6 hours. You probably check the temperature sooner than what I did. I went a little over, but it's still good. All the juices, I just mixed everything back in with its juices and barbecue sauce. Delish, guys, super easy. And that's pretty much how it's done. Guys, thank you as always. We'll shut down. Cheers, guys. Thank you as always for joining us every week. We have a blast doing this. We're gonna get back outside soon enough, I promise. Eventually, I hope. It just got cold way sooner than it usually does. So, but guys, thanks as always. And until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye.